Yeah, let me get up out of this bed. Let's see what's going on out here. Let's see what's going on. What y'all looking at? Man, I just wake up. What do you want me to do? But anyway, man, now I'm up. I'm gonna do what I got to do. But first, I like to brush my teeth. And like I said, I was like to go get my coffee. But I don't feel like I'm gonna walk in the truck stop this morning. Cut my truck off for a little bit. I really can't do a pre-trip in my truck this morning because I'm not gonna sit here for too long to do a pre-trip. But cause I can't check my oil and stuff. But I'm gonna do something where pretty much I just do a walk around my truck, check all that stuff. I'm gonna still go in the engine, but I'm not gonna do the dipstick, check my oil. I'm just gonna walk around. So let me just wake up first, man. Holy crap. Yeah, I didn't see me, that Joe. I normally get up early than this. I don't normally lay in my bed too late. This morning I said I was gonna get up at 6 o'clock. But right now it's what? Almost 7 o'clock now. 6:49. So I normally get up. I'll get up. Oh man. I'm still tired, huh? Went to bed like 12 o'clock last night. I guess I need to go to bed earlier then, right? But you know what? That's all life is. And you out here as a truck driver, some days you don't feel like you want to get up early. But toothpaste. This is my toothpaste, man. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Brush my stinky breath, man. Make sure you don't smell. You know what I mean? Oh shit, man. I smell something, man. Make sure I brush my teeth. You know? La-di-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Alright, people. Welcome back to the life as a truck driver. When I leave everything at my house, I leave everything at my house. I didn't bring out no rag, no towel. I just bring clothes to take my shower and stuff like that. I totally forgot all that other stuff, man. So I gotta use paper towel. My makeup on. Nah, I'm just messing with you. I gotta use paper towel and stuff to wipe my face. So let me get back in my bedroom so I can get my bed up. You don't get on bed and don't make it up if you want to be the life as a trucker. My life as a truck driver. That's not there ain't no my life as a trucker. But this is my life as a truck driver. What I do each morning when I get up, sometimes I do different stuff. But this is one of my routine what I do in the morning, brush my teeth and do my walk around my truck. Make sure everything is okay. So we're gonna get in here. See, gonna get in here. First, I gotta turn my lights back on. So I know my light is on. It's on. My light is on up there, but my headlight is not on. So let me turn it back off now, huh? Alright. I'll do this first. Oh man, I hate messing with that keys right there. Alright. You're gonna make sure you check to see if you have any leaks. And for right now, I don't see any leaks. I don't see any spots. You check for that. You check your brake chamber, your brake caliper, all these little pins right here. You're gonna check for them. Make sure they're intact. Notice none of your nothing missing. So none of your nothing missing. So I normally just this is just like a regular check pre-trip. This is my pre-trip. What I do every morning. I'll just come out and just check. Sometimes I just look over it to make sure there ain't nothing missing. And you know, hose, none of these hoses ain't break, they still intact. Everything you notice is intact same way. Pretty much the belt, I always try to check my belt because before, I remember one time when I was driving and my belt how did I say, my belt broken, and then I was driving for a while before I find out. But it was a belt that goes to my AC, so yeah. I can't check my dipstick right now because the truck was running all night, and for you to check your dipstick, you pretty much gotta let your stuff sit for a little bit. And I'm not gonna sit here for that long. So on this side, everything looks good for me. Everything looks like it's intact. I don't see anything. See my tire, it looks like the tread is deep enough. I can't push I know I should have a penny, but you could judge it by telling it got a lot of treads in it, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm not gonna check all my lugs, but I pretty much like to check a few of them just to make sure and they look tight and the rim is alright. I don't see my oil leaking. So yep. One of them days I'm gonna do a full pre-trip on the truck and put it up to show guys how to do a full pre-trip on the truck. Like to do if you're doing the schooling and stuff, but I'm gonna talk about that in another video. But make sure I get that together. Over here, this is my filter, and it looks like it's all right now. I don't have to change it because it's not that bad. It's not that far up. Normally, it's when it's up here. I normally change it. It looks like I need coolant, so I'm gonna put some coolant in it today. Sure, I put some coolant in there for a little. I'm gonna put some coolant in here. No, not a little bit. I'm gonna make sure I do it. See, my hose over here is intact. I don't see no loose. Like I said, look back on this side. I don't see no leaks or anything. No dripping of anything. Not just water from the AC. So that's what it is. And I'm missing any bolt on this side. Everything is intact. If you can see, this is the engine. I'm in the engine compartment. If y'all figure what's going on. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Ain't nothing missing in here. My tire right here, I see a little bulge out right there, but I don't think that's a big deal. Probably alright still. But yeah, if I'm not alright there, let me know. Tell me, hey, this is not safe, but I think it's safe pretty much. I'm riding with it for a while now. And this tire is in good condition, same way. While my rim, my wheels, they are. I normally do a little check on these, make sure they're intact. Like I said. And then I'm just doing a walk around now. I was trying to walk around my truck to make sure everything is okay. So nobody don't mess with the fuel cap. Next one over there. So my tire over here is intact, same way. My tire over here is tread is good in it. Just go around just doing a pre-trip. My ear back on the ear, it looks pretty good. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's pretty good. I check my brake light around here. My brakes light, they on. That's my parking light anyway. That's not a brake light. Parking light, they still on. Check my marker light. There's one down here. And then that one up there is already messed up, so it's not showing. But I just like to do a walk around my truck to make sure everything works. And this truck, look at this one. Those got to fix, but that's not on me. We got a back one. My tires, them look good. They look pretty good. Ain't nothing in my tires. Same thing on this side. On my trailer again, my lights and work pretty good. I have no problem with more lights. My lights down here working. So, like I said, I always trying to do a walk around the truck. Once you get up in the morning before you drive out, you walk around. You check your tires, check everything, because you never know. I'm not sure tell you something what you have to look out for. Wherever you park, at the truck stop or on the side of the road or wherever you park at, I always have to look out for that. Make sure in the morning you check your fifth wheel. Check your fifth wheel, because somebody can pull that pin. Sometimes you want to go under here, you want to get up under here, and you want to look. I mean, I can't see crap right now, but normally you can use the light and you check it. I know my fifth wheel ain't pull, so, but you can tell your fifth wheel ain't pull anyway by this right here, by the hanger. So if the hanger pulls out, then you know your fifth wheel pulls. And your ear line, you make sure your ear line didn't move. Somebody didn't come mess with the ear line. Because I just do my regular walk around the truck. And that's about it for me, man. That's about it for my pre-trip and my life as a trucker. I'm going to give you a full video on that. My life as a trucker, what I do, how I do, and why I do this, and yeah. But this is my pre-trip, what I do every morning before I drive out. And I don't care where I'm going, I always try to get up and do that. But yeah, this is out here. It's my life as a trucker, and I like it. Do what I have to do every day, and so far it's been going good. Once you do what you have to do every day, that's okay, man. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw my stuff in coolant in there. See if I can find those. I think those on the other side of the truck. I think those are on the other side of the truck, so I gotta get in here. Then I gotta get back out this way. I might have to put the phone down right here. And I usually have my phone holder, I don't know where it is. Alright, so this is where my coolant is right. Let me find my stuff. This is my coolant, right? Yep, so I'm gonna go use this. I'm gonna go use this. Take care of that. So first I gotta get up here. Man, I don't know. No. I can step right. See, I'm stepping. You see, I'm in my flip-flops, man. That's what I wear when I'm driving. And I'm on my way back home. Okay. So let me drop my camera right here. I'm gonna put it up on the dash right here, so we can see. Oh, y'all ain't gonna see what's going on, cause it's gonna lean that way. I need to lean this way. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pull that stuff. It's the wrong time to open it because you gotta let the hair run out of it, the hair get out of it. But like I said, truck was running all night. Truck was running all night. Because I keep my truck running because of AC and all that stuff. And this is my coolant, I gotta get it. Gotta get my coolant. Alright. So let me figure out another way now. Good. See, I find somewhere to put my phone down. So I'm going. Man, I almost run out of coolant, you see what I mean? I know I check it, but I was like, yeah, I'm supposed to put it in there. And totally forgot, man. Walk around the truck, do the same thing. Totally forget to do it. So this morning I decided I have to get up and do it. Now this gonna take the whole damn jug, man. Yep, that's exactly what's gonna happen. It's gonna take the whole jug, but I have a little bit leaving there. I'm gonna pour it in out. Oh, so that's good. Alright, that's good enough right there. Okay, so you see now it's fuller. Now it's full. And now it's good. Go back to my compartment. Don't got much up in here. I ain't got nothing in here. At least I have a windshield washer. I'm a cool out there. That's about it, man. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. This is Jamrock, the trucker. Out here just trying to get my stuff together and leave. So thanks for watching.